Welcome to my channel. This video is for a 2-ribbon Mardi Gras bow. Please subscribe and don't forget to tap the bell for notifications on my uploads and live streams. This is going to be a large bow, so I'm making an 18-inch tail. Then I'm going to measure it 12 inches for the loops, so these are going to be really big loops as well. Twist that ribbon so your print is always on top. Now I'm going to measure out another 12 inches and make a loop on the other side. So I have a loop on the north side and loop on the south side. You always want to gather those in the middle and hold on to it. And then, of course, twist the ribbon so your print is on top. Measure out your next loop, gather that, form your loop, and hold on to it. I'm holding it with my left hand because I'm right-handed. So whichever one works for you. And then form as many loops as you want. This is going to be kind of a flat but a large bow, large loopy bow. So I want to make 6 loops total, 3 on each side. And then I will twist that ribbon and make sure that my next tail will be going in the same direction as my first tail, and then measure it the same length. And I have several different other options of ribbons I could use behind it. It just depends on what look you're going for. And there's plain gold, but that first ribbon has a lot of gold, so I wouldn't recommend that. I'm going to use this real pretty print here that's got purple and green glitter, and it's gold metallic. And I'm using the same exact sizes as the first one. It's just going to be a background, and I'm putting my first bow on top of it to see how many loops and stuff I want to make. I just want it kind of being in the background. I don't want it being bigger or standing out more. So I'm actually going to do only 4 loops on this one. So the loops will be kind of in between the loops of the first bow. And I'm only doing one tail. I've never done that before on a video, so this is how I'm doing it. I'm cutting it off just enough where it will still gather and I won't lose those loops. But that one tail is going to be in the middle of the other 2 tails. I'm using a gold metallic chenille stem. Just want to carefully wrap it around there and then pull it as tight as you can. Pull, and then you want to twist it really good. So you want it as tight as you can in the middle because it'll just make your bow look that much better. Give it a few good twists, and then flip it back over, and you just want to straighten up your loops and fluff them out if you need to. Mostly they just need to be kind of twisted around there. Now I'm going to cut a V shape. So you just want to fold that ribbon and cut it at an angle like I'm doing here. And then you can roll up your tails if you want. You want to get a cute little spiral going. And you can actually leave them like that on your wreath. It looks really cute. So however you want to do your tails, you can just do like a wavy pattern in your tails as well, and I'll show you that with this middle one. You can just kind of wave it like this, just kind of form it like that, or you can roll them up. If you wanted to do some extra tails, this is how you would do it on the back side. Now I'm going to show you some possibilities for adding an embellishment to the center. I've got these cute fleur-de-lis, so you could do these little ornaments very easily. Just wrap them with a chenille stem, and that's how they would look. On that one, you know, it's got a little attachment on the ornament, so you want to make sure that's on there good and it wouldn't fall off, so you might need to add hot glue to that little top. But it seemed to be on there very good, so I don't think I would need to do that on that one. You just kind of pull on it and see if it would fall off. So now I'm going to do beads, and here's the 3 different colors. Of course, gold would blend in too much, so either purple or gold, or you could do both. Just keep in mind beads are very heavy and it's going to weigh it down. So I'm just kind of measuring a little bit over the middle because I don't want them hanging down the same length. I'm just going to wrap that chenille stem around there where I want it really tightly, and then I'm just going to wrap it around the center of the bow. Very simple. Very, very simple. So you're just going to have that bead hanging off in the center. It's just going to add a little something to your bow, make it really cute. And then again, you want to twist that really tight. And then, so I don't have 4 chenille stem ends hanging off, I'm going to wrap 2 together. And then you can just use that to wrap on your wreath or whatever you're attaching this to. And then make sure, again, I'm going to fold that little end piece down there so it's not sticking out, so wires aren't sticking out. See how cute that is? That just adds a little something extra there. Now you could just glue that to the center of your bow if you wanted to. It can get a little messy, so be careful. I'm going to go ahead and roll up that tail as well. And again, you do your tails however you want. And just make sure your loops look good. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, share, subscribe, tap that bell for notifications on my live streams and uploads. Be kind to others, and thanks so much for watching.